towel outside like, oh baby, are you comfortable? Oh, the NC! Oh, the NC! Shit! Where's it at? Slow-mo, I want to see the NC bottle, bro. There we go. Oh my gosh. If I didn't see that shit, I don't know what I'll be doing right now, man. A round of applause for the Hennessy bottle, y'all. It's there. We missed it. Let's go.
Fit for the better and the die for the magic.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with Gold God Weather. Official music video. Anyway, so I didn't realize this song dropped. I didn't get a notification from Gold God. I'm subscribed to Gold God channel for real. So and I wonder where I go. So I understand how many get notification. Now I go on YouTube. Anyways, guys, I just reacted to Quada great music video. I did the reaction. I uploaded it. Schedule about to post it. Boom! Your video has been blocked worldwide. So you know what this means for the video? The pause boss is in full effect. We're going to pause and we're going to talk a lot. But hopefully the video entertaining enough. Because I don't know, I don't like when them get black. People don't get to see it. Really why is why them get black worldwide? Because people say, yo, your pause is your pause. If I don't do that, you can't see the video, don't it? So that's do my thing. Run through. And it now, play. What is going on?
I got the car and the girl and the money, I'm rich now.
Def? Wait, what kind of girl that? Gold God? Hold on, what kind of girl is that? You might have a mannequin for your wife. You must say, I got the car and the money and girl, I'm rich now. Hey.
Put it all in the car when the drips on the whips, I'm rich now. Jump out as a weather.
Wait, jump out as a weather. You coming out of a freezer, Gold God. What? Life is so... Pretty sign on the top right corner, guys. Life is so...
I saw them my neck so glitter.
Yeah, alright, wait, go back. I saw them my neck so glitter. Alright, run through now. Yeah.
I saw them my neck so glitter.
Okay.
Put a band for the best song with it.
Alright, but tell you something weird. Me, I look for that buckle there, Hennessy there right now on a Gold God. Because for the past, every music video they put off recently, Gold God, that Hennessy buckle there make history. So I look out for that Hennessy buckle there right now. People, if you don't see it, just let me know which party they're in that video. Alright, run through.
A car with a letter, with a bag, money all look better.
Yeah.
For the gold on my neck, no matter.
Steph.
From my wrist to the crown.
Let me see. What kind of, what is Gold God in a people? Is a whole bag? Is a suit of bag? That also look fresh too. You know some music videos are really pretty thing them. They also look fresh, but on that me I pretty. Run back right now so I could. I see something a while ago. Oh. Alright, anything I look for now, I'll go on, I'm sorry. But what kind of money and thing I go on? Go on, so I go on.
To the crown of my head, I saw on the letters. Get it with a matter. Turn next for the crisp white tees on the sweater. Bust down with my wrist like freeze, it's the weather.
Bust down in my wrist like freeze, it's the weather. On the shutter. Hey, Gold God, I need some big body girl in every day. I realize something I want to say. I don't normally see girls in every day now. Gold God, I want to go on. Gold God, what is our going on? You don't want to pay a promo girl or them something there? You don't want to pay them or something? Come on, Gold God, run tune.
I got a deal for the better and the die for the
oh, shit.
I laid down.
This dude's having a whole romantic dinner with a mannequin and shit. Like, what the fuck? This mannequin has on a whole towel outside, like, oh baby, are you comfortable? Oh, the NC! Oh, the NC! Shit! Where's it at? Slow-mo, I want to see the NC bottle, bro. There we go. Oh my gosh. If I didn't see that shit, I don't know what I'll be doing right now, man. A round of applause for the Hennessy bottle, y'all. It's there. We missed it. Let's go.
Fit for the better and the die for the magic, yeah. I laid down with a bitch dome. She bought a lot of niggas got a stick.
Well, your girl bad for real, Gold God, man. Like, your girl are going a bag of things. But that video I would have shot if you NC buckle never. Hey, me not lying no dog. My face says that I'm trademark that. You have to put the NC buckle up on a shirt, Gold God, and sell it. And call it the Gold God shirt. Run tune.
Down on me at a bitch go.
Yeah.
She got a big vibe on a rich flow.
Def?
Yeah. Got a feeling I'ma let it show off. When you got a lot of money, gotta get a hold of.
Alright. That's how you kind of... I don't know why Gold God flow different from everybody want to know. But what me they gonna say a while ago? It's one of them kind of girl you save whole heap of money. You see me I say? You don't have to depend upon spending. No. I mean if you just buy one toilet and straight over. You see me? I just pick her up and can't get anywhere you go. You don't have to pay if you know who to carry her come in your yard or on-time taxi fee if you're at Jamaica if you carry her come in your yard. You understand? You just pick her up and you scare her already.
6 out, I'm a pistol. Nigga, sit down with a big dog.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Phoenix for the Chris white tees on the sweater. Bust down with
Shoes
my
are bad. You know,
wrist.
kind of shoes that people. Shoes are bad. Kind of shoes this. Kind of shoes that. I don't really follow up fashion and something there, so I don't know what kind of shoes. Shoes are bad still. I'm not lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Run through.
I got a deal for my feet for the better. Money down for the matches. Yeah.
What kind of dance that?
Niggas wanna be like me, you will never. Got a nigga let it be like you the fella.
Got a nigga with a pre-like, you the fella. No, more I say a lyric video. The lyrics are all over the place, dog. I'm not enjoying the shit. I know why I'm not enjoying it, dog. Because of YouTube, brother. Same time I post a video for the next video afterwards, dog. My vibes just... You know, star. We do it for the fun and everything, dog. But when the video get black, I don't like see that, dog. I want to get to see the video, them, dog. And the video, they're bad. I'm not going to delete it, I keep it and try to post it tomorrow again. And see if it's still black. You understand? John, my vibes, you know why? The vibes kind of broke, but I have to post a video phone again to them. Post one already, I post the next one. Don't choose them, I chat too much.
We gotta say, oh damn you fella, hold on little fella. Gotta go on the wild. Yeah, got the rolling with a goal and a dot. Got it.
I forgot something to start the video. Yo, Jano, dog. Ah! Fuck. Jano, my Bex is actually not even seen. I put on a mask, yeah, man. I shouldn't even see it, dog. I won't get to post a video, dog, because... oh my gosh. Alright, let's go.
I'ma waste out a phone with a vibe. Put $1 million in the bag, that a whole little vibe. Nah, bitch, you know I'm a lover. Got him on the...
Go ahead and sound like a bit here, man. I'll try to put the reaction right or something. You see the NC buckle and thing, everything I've seen is to go on, you understand? I hope I don't miss nothing really major. Yeah, people, thank you for checking out my little video or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy my little reactions, even though it's not the littiest of what I do, because y'all know I'm very lit over here. But I really enjoyed this song for real. The video is okay. You know, Gold God is very unique other than all the different artists out there and shit. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you are new. And I think I'm going to try and post a quarter video. I'm going to like mute the audio some places so you guys can still get to see it, because I already did it. It doesn't make sense to just go to waste. Understand what I mean? So it's been a boy Tyrekejt. I'm out.